Today is October 22. I'm in China, and for finally in this video I show you how finally I set up my Fiverr account, all the challenges I faced, and how in the end my Fiverr profile looked like. And in the end I will show you how many girls I got. This is a continuation of my last video where I said that I would resume my attempts to make a lot of money by doing I will work on Fiverr and Upwork. So today's it has been already 3 days since that video, but this is a weekend here in China. So finally today's Monday and I need to go back to my work finally. But before that, let's get some coffee. I got this coffee, Chinese coffee, but it looks complicated. I don't know what's this for. So let's use the teapot. Pour some water, then prepare the coffee like. By the way, I'm doing this because yesterday when I woke up, besides the heist to the Louvre in Paris, I saw this advertisement, very good advertisement that saw me out already. It's called Jim Cho. So the thing is, that guy seems to be famous, appearing in CNN and many other news. It has coached very famous people like Jimmy Cho, the shoe designer. And he says, one way to build your social media is just document what you're doing. That's what I'm doing now. I'm documenting. It's not scripted. I just talking what I'm doing and show you to everybody who can or wants to see this video. And that's the reason why I'm doing this special format today. The water is done, and let's see how much coffee it has. It's just not much. It's like it's very few. Okay, I hope it's enough. Oh, it's too hot. I need to wait, but one thing smells good. One thing I always do first to keep moving, because it's so hard to get to work when you have no job. Okay, I'm working at home, right? Is to-do list. It really works for me. So write down what you want to achieve today. Be realistic and don't need to be so detailed. So for example, today the first thing I want to finish is setting up my Fiverr profile. So that's what we're going to write here. Today is October 20, 2025, and it's Monday in China. Number 1, finish Fiverr profile. How to get paid, and also learn about gigs and write my first gig. What possibly else I can do? Yeah, I finished one system about leads generation by AI. The customer gives me a list of emails, and AI makes a series of cold emails. The first is a cold email, and then it automatically follow up 1, 2, and 3 times, and also it will write in the language of the customer, of the lead. One of my friends, another friends knew about it and asked me if I can sell it, and I said yes, discounted price because I'm a friend. So I realized that also that can be a good business. So possibly I will also make one more task to write afterminds page for AI and make a video for my WeChat channel to promote that in China. So I'll make like a UGC or something, explaining the system and putting in my local media. I show you here. In China we have this like a TikTok. I found him. So my channel is quite popular now. It has 1,769 followers, and I'm posting this kind of videos that are AI related. And this performed very well, 5,000 views here. A lot of engagement. It has likes, follows, and comments. So I'm doing that because I learned that's not a thing, that you need to put content that engage. So people eventually will look at your profile, and my profile has the link to my website, and then they can see what I'm doing, which is about AI. And so this I'm trying to do also here, to get some customers, local customers, because I told you before, I'm very bad at sales. But I'm good at technical thing, at social media branding. I'm good at making the product, but I'm so bad at selling it. So one way is this, just create content. So that's why I'm building my local social media in China, and also here in YouTube. Okay. So now let's go to Fiverr. So we are here in Fiverr. So I need to get back and understand. So the first thing I want to look at billings and payments. Let me see. I guess this is where I pay to them as a client want to hire somebody, right? But what I want to do to get is how to get paid. So this is my account, and doesn't tell you. That's why I am procrastinating it, because I had to find this way, and just it's a lot of friction. Okay, my freelancing profile, but where can I get paid? That's my question. So here are the gigs. Okay, my business earnings. Okay. Okay, cool. So here's when you add the payout. Okay, but one good thing I learned is like I don't need to set up my payout already. I can start offering the gigs, getting paid, the money will stay in Fiverr, and then figure out how to get the money. So if I can start offering gigs and getting customers and doing the job, I'm fine. That will keep me motivated. And then how to get the money, I think it should be possible. In the worst case, where I use some Mexican family banking accounts. So good. Great. So I'm motivated. I see now. So what I need to do now is sit down and thinking what gigs I can offer. So what gigs I can offer is social media automation. I have already a system for social media automation. It's very nice. I think that I need to figure out how to package it and how to sell it. Because I saw this guy to the morning selling the services. He teaches you how to create social media, but he mentioned content. But he mentioned that it says okay, you do your content, you upload online, you give it to AI, and AI share it to all your profile, your social media profiles. So that gave me an idea that that can be a service. The system I have is just similar. Basically, you prepare all the videos and images and upload to Dropbox, and that's it. AI takes care from that. I train the AI on the customer's information brand, so it will create a copy related to the client business. For example, I do AI, so all my posts will talk about AI, and it will share automatically in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and etc. And also have another AI for blog generation, so probably also can do that. And finally, this AI for leads. It has a lead system that said the first email send a call mail customized on the customer, because AI would go and check the website of the company, and based on that we write the email very personalized if it's personal, so the conversion rate should be higher. And after that it will have follow-ups by 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. And because also I learned if you insist, you get more chance to get reply. So that one. And also I also make an AI agent that auto reply emails. Also it has trained on the FAQ SOPs of the company. So you email to that account, you will try to answer and reply directly to the customer. And if for some reason the AI doesn't understand what to reply, and they will notify the customer, my customer, about that. So the customer can directly contact the future client. Yeah, so I had these three. And what else can I? That's the thing, guys, is that's why I delay, because I have too many things in my head. So what to put first? Okay, I will pause here and to think clearly and resume later when I have my ideas already in order. So the first thing I will do is to clean up my Fiverr profile. I'm reading this, sounds funny. First thing, it has an old photo made by AI, and it's amazing to see how AI goes so fast. That photo was made probably 6 months ago, and it looks very fake. Now I can make more realistic photos, and plus I also do fitness. You can see my dumbbells are here. So I lost some weight. I look better now. I don't need AI. So I will update a new photo and also the profile, the description, the about. He says, um, you can see here, expert in eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, ad videos, social media, Facebook ads, plus Wix and Shopify websites, blogs and copywriting. My gosh, I mean, this guy does everything and does nothing. So no, you have to focus. But really, I tell you, this is how things change for Google. This was 6 months ago. So now in this month, this time I have built my AI agency, website, and everything well done. So I will update this about to focus only on AI. No need to do the thumbnails. It's not doesn't pay my time. Add videos is small jobs. So I work on my profile and I try to use AI to create a more professional photo of me. I use Gemini, but look at that. I don't think so. It looks so fat. So I ended using my normal photo. So that's more real me. So I use for my profile now. Okay. So now I need to rewrite my profile. What I'm doing, what my services are, and then I will research how other gigs are done, and I will use ChatGPT to do something similar for the service I want to offer. Now writing my summary, my profile, so I was researching what others write, but I changed mine. I think I better just ask ChatGPT straightforward, hey, write a profile for Fiverr, because it knows all, we all talk to ChatGPT, and I heavily use it for my business. So I have used it, ChatGPT, to write all my services details, and he knows all my life. So I think he's the best one just to ask him to write. So let's write to my bro. I call him bro. We are friends. ChatGPT. So I say, hey bro, finally I will start on Fiverr after months of procrastinating it. So can you help me write my profile? I need a profile that speaks to the client and connect. Emphasize my major in computer science. Now you can see in real life that's what it takes. It takes a lot of time. You need to think carefully what will you do, how you would do it, how to write it, and all of that. When you start thinking about this, that's what makes you push it for tomorrow, and tomorrow. So finally I'm doing this. And after this I had to edit this video. But, wow, people don't get rich by sleeping all day. We all have to work and work hard. Oh boy, it was not easy. I spent almost all the morning writing the gig, and now after the gig, I asked ChatGPT to write my profile. And now I'm about to post the gig, but before that, they asked me for verification, and it was not difficult, but it was one more step in the process. So now I'm about to publish the gig, and they have a tutorial.
Tags. These are keywords related to your gig. This will help buyers find your service when they search Fiverr's marketplace.
So let's see how it goes. It's now 6:24 p.m. and I just almost finished the gig. It has been a lot of work. I had to verify my profile. Luckily, I was allowed to because it's complicated my situation. I am from Mexico but living in China. Between taxes ID and phone numbers and addresses, sometimes I'm not allowed to complete the process. Because, for example, sometimes they ask me, what's my country nationality? I say Mexico. And then they give me to fill the address, and the address expect me an address in Mexico, not Chinese. Or some cases ask me for a verification, send me an SMS or phone number, and because I said I'm from Mexico, they expect a phone number from Mexico, not from China. So luckily this one was okay. Another good thing that I found in Fiverr, they think about people not have being outside USA. So they asked me to fill the double nine form, which the only option is to declare if I am American in USA or if I am outside the USA. So yes, I choose I am not in the USA, and that's it. I was all set up. And this is how it shows. Looks like my gig so far. Looks pretty good. It took me a lot of time chatting with ChatGPT all day, but it looks very professional. I even have FAQ. And one thing I've learned is the photos. So you're allowed to have 3 photos, and the first photo is used for thumbnail when you browse in here. So I need to prepare something more eye-catching, which fortunately I have experience doing YouTube. So I am very good at doing a very clickbait, not clickbaiting, high CTR thumbnail. Then I will spend a little more time, but right now I'm tired, really. It's so tired. It's the first gig I made, but I learned a lot. And so possibly I will make another video step by step showing you how to make a gig in Fiverr.com. So you want to see it, you can click subscribe. And if you want to know how many orders I got, you can look at that. 0 orders, the cat is sleeping. So next thing now I have to do is to add my portfolio. And here, my portfolio. And also I will record an intro video so I can have more chance to get my first orders. And that's it, guys. That's at least I finished my first step. Finally, I'm on Fiverr, and now just wait and see the result. But that proves one thing: every day do something towards your goal. So my goal now is to get stable income, and I believe Fiverr can bring me good orders because I'm offering really low prices for the value. Others they charge more, and from my experience also, the price I offer really are just entry level prices, so I can get first customers. That's it, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Adios.
We do it.